My name is Sara Abdu. I'm an artist and an observer. My work is titled Now That I've Lost You in My Dreams, Where Do We Meet? So the theme of the biennial, After Rain, in a way it symbolizes a moment of departure, but at the same time, new beginnings, which are very much present in my piece or my work, Now That I've Lost You in My Dreams, Where Do We Meet? Which revolves around this idea of departure, but at the same time, it offers this space or this intangible space, which is dreams, where new memories can be generated and new beginnings. One of the major themes is this idea of memory, because if we look at the piece, it's kind of like an environment that re-examines a relationship with memory, and it's a sensorial piece. You get to experience that through smell as well. Smell can have this power to teleport us to past memories. So in that sense, I would say the work is loaded with emotions and memories when it comes to that. And at the same time, it's inspired by the Islamic funeral ritual of washing the deceased. And this is why it's a sensorial piece and you're able to smell it, because the main ingredients used are kafur and sidr, and they are used in those kind of rituals. So I would say it's a very dear piece to me. Saudi Arabia has been always a source of inspiration when it comes to this idea of constant change, especially in recent years, which is a true reflection of the human nature and all that is alive. And as an artist, being exposed to and witnessing how that is being manifested would naturally draw my attention towards the internal changes that occur as a result. And this constant state of becoming as well, which evokes a great sense of lifeless.